Yes, children, good morning. Today, let us start alcohols, phenols, ethers. Already, we had the discussion about the alcohols. Today, let us know about the preparation of alcohols. Now, when we are going to prepare the alcohols, there different methods are there. First one, it is nothing from alkenes. Alkenes, they are unsaturated hydrocarbons only. From there, you can see the symmetric and unsymmetric also. When the alkenes are going to react in presence of acid, that reaction is known as by-acid catalyzed hydration. Hydration means we are adding water, we are adding acid also. Alkenes react with water in presence of acid as catalyst to form alcohols. In case of unsymmetrical alkenes, the addition reaction takes place in accordance with the Markovnikov rule. As for the Markovnikov rule, they follow the Markovnikov rule only. Let me show the mechanism. This is the important question for you. What is there? In this one, three steps are there. One is protonation. Second one is nucleophilation, nucleophilic addition. Third one is deprotonation. The water molecule will react with acid. We can get H3O plus ion. This is called as hydronium ion. So one hydrogen will be added to this one. When one hydrogen will be added, automatically that process is called as protonation. Protonation of alkene. Because of this, what happened? We got carbocation. We got carbocation. The carbocation reacted with the nucleophile. Nucleophile means the second step. What is there? Where the proton concentration is more, that is called a nucleophile. The nucleophile reacts with this one. Where the positive charge is there, it used to react, so that we got the product. And now, what is the third step? Already hydrogen is added from the catalyst. Catalyst means acid is the catalyst. Acid cannot participate in the reaction, so the proton that is from the acid, that will be removed. So automatically when the proton will be removed, so we got the alcohol here, children. So this is a simple mechanism. By writing this mechanism, easily you can write all the points also. First one is protonation. Second one is a nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. Third one is a deprotonation. And now next process is hydroboration. Hydroboration means here the alkenes, they react with diborane, so that we are getting the alcohols. What is happening in the diborane? We used to mention diborane as B2H6. See here, for your convenience purpose, I mentioned BH3 twice. Instead of 3 hydrogens in diborane, 3 alkyl groups will come. 3 alkyl groups will come. And boron with the 3 alkyl groups. So it is called as triethyl borane. Now, in presence of hydrogen peroxide, when the hydrolysis takes place, we can get the alcohol. So here also the one more reaction I mentioned. Whereas here symmetric alkene, whereas this one is unsymmetric alkene. So from here we got propanol. So children, with the help of this one, we are getting the alcohols only. That means diborane reacts with alkene to give trialkyl boranes as an addition product. This is oxidized to alcohol by hydrogen peroxide in presence of sodium hydroxide. This reaction is against the Markovnikov rule. This one you have to remember. Now, the next method is nothing but Grignard reagent. With the help of the Grignard reagent, this is the third process and very important process. With the help of this method, we can get primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. See children, in the first one, we have taken formaldehyde. If I'll take the formaldehyde, means I can get only the primary alcohols only. RMgX, the MgX group will attack the oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, magnesium is electropositive, so OMgX will be there. And whereas the other one, here you can see, by hydrolysis we are getting RCH2OH. Okay. Now let us see the aldehyde. If I'll take here RCHO, it may be ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, any compound we can take. And then from this one, when it is going to react with the Grignard reagent, 2 alkyl groups are there. The 2 alkyl groups are coming on the same carbon only. Then by hydrolysis we are getting secondary alcohol. Now if you take the ketone group means CO group is known as ketone group. Here two alkyl groups are there. Third alkyl group, it is nothing but on Grignard reagent. So three alkyl groups are coming. So automatically what will happen? We can get this tertiary alcohol, children. Okay. Now let me come to the next method, fourth method, from carbonyl compounds. From reduction of aldehydes and ketones, we can get this one. Aldehydes and ketones are reduced to the corresponding alcohols by addition of hydrogen in presence of finely divided metal such as platinum or palladium or nickel. For reduction we are using all these three only. Platinum, it is costliest one. So palladium or nickel, finely divided nickel we can use. So otherwise lithium aluminum hydride or sodium boron hydride, this one also we can use. Aldehydes yield primary alcohols, whereas ketones give secondary alcohols only. Let me show the reaction, children. Aldehydes. When the for aldehydes we are adding hydrogen, so that we are getting RCH2OH group in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. In the same way, ketones, when they are reacting, when we are doing a reduction, so we are adding hydrogen group. Two hydrogens are added, so we are getting secondary alcohol. By reduction of carboxylic acids and esters, here carboxylic acid, the oxygen that will be removed as water molecule, and we are adding the hydrogens only. It is also nothing but reduction only. Here also we are getting alcohol only. So from the alcohol, carboxylic acid, generally they used to give esters. RCOO, R- means esters. From the esters, how to prepare? By reduction of esters, we can get the two alcohols. Two alcohols we can get, but they may be equal or may not be equal. For example, here methyl group may be there, here ethyl group will be there. From the methyl group you can get methyl alcohol, from the ethyl group you can get ethyl alcohol. So as for this one, with the different methods we can prepare the alcohols, children. So in the next class let us have the discussion about the properties of the alcohol. Thank you, children.